Okay, we're gonna take a quick look at this DEGGE Cordless Tiller and Cultivator. Well, we're supposed to do this part of the video outside, but it's raining and, well, we'll record the unboxing here, I guess. And then we'll go outside when weather gets better. So we pull everything outside the box and continue with our job here. Okay, so here we have everything we need to have a tiller slash cultivator. Don't mind these other parts here, that's nothing to do with it. It's a workbench. So what do you want me to say? You have a user's manual right here that you can go through and check what's going on and how to put it together. I mean, it's easy to put it together. There's really not many complicated parts. You have the handle, you have the aluminum tube, which is this one right here. You have the blades, which are in that little bag right there. You have the two batteries, 21 volts, 3000 milliamp hour each. Then you have the base itself, which is right there. Then you have the baffle if you want to mount it to. It's right here. The plug or the charger is right there, and the user's manual that we're looking at right here. Literally, that's all it takes to put it together. So let me put it together real quick, and we'll see how it looks. And when the rain stops, hopefully, we'll go outside. And I'm gonna start with the handle part of it, because it's just easy. You just put it in here and bring this on, and that's it. It's actually easier than you might think. Boom, look at that. Now you have the handle here. You can push to tilt it however you need it, so you have it easier to use. You have to push this in order to press the trigger. Otherwise, for safety reasons, it doesn't trigger unless you push this side button. That's really nice. And here's our handle. Let me put the head on it really quick too. And on the head, there is something that I want to show you though. Let me put this on the side real quick. The head is a little bit heavier because it has the motor and all that good stuff. When it comes to this cover, that's the only thing I wanted to kind of point at you. You take this out, like through here, sorry. You put it before you put anything else. So it kind of goes in here on the top part first, and then this side you push in like this, and you should have this screw that you see here in the baggie right here. Let me take it real quick and put it out there. It's a tight finger screw like this, and goes into place. That's it. Nice. So now the shield is done and ready, and at this point we have to put the tiller blades. This is the charger, don't toss it away. And the blades are very easy. Point the camera towards them. They're in here. Boom. That's your blades. That's how they are. And a little baggie for them. So you have a screw through here. That's what you put here. And boom. Just like this. Goes in there. And let me pull these out real quick, because that's what goes in. And you have the Allen key for them. Just put it in here. Let me see if I can do this. So let me put it through real quick, and you do the same on the other side, and you should be good to go at that point. Well, we have to put the handle too, but you know, that's the easy part. Never actually tried a battery powered tiller. This will be a first one for me. Nice. Okay, so this is as far as it actually goes. Nice. Oh yeah, there's no move on them at all. And besides that, I don't want to break my table. That's something I definitely do not want to do. Put a piece of plastic or something here real quick, because this is a glass table and we're reviewing a tiller on top of it. Isn't that smart? Okay, that's how the tiller should look if everything went normal and everything went according to what I showed you here. And then you are ready to put the handle, because that's what has the connections to. So you cannot put it the wrong way if you wanted to. It has like a small notch right there that corresponds with a notch on the metal here. So just find it. Should be right there. And that is, I think it's done. Perfect. That is it. So we'll see the full work outside anyway, but for now, this is actually pretty good. Let me pull this upwards, because I'm going to turn on the tiller really quick. Hopefully the batteries have some charge. Let's see. Yeah, that's full. Okay, let me put the battery on and just give it a nudge. And yeah, it works right away. Nice. Okay, well, whenever we can go outside, we'll go outside and we'll till maybe, I don't know, a few feet and see how it works. And here's the entire tool outdoors. And I did some small tilling and it actually cut through some roots. It did not care at all. And it looks really good. Gotta tell you, I almost dropped it. Look at that. This is actually a really cool tool. I'm gonna try to till on a piece of land probably there that has never actually been tilled. Why not, right? To really test it. And it was extremely easy to clean. Literally, this was completely filled with roots and stuff. Just pull them out. That's it. So I'm gonna probably till something here and see how that goes. So let's put it into tilling. I think here's good enough. Look at this machine. Tell me that's not a beauty. Come on. It's actually a beautiful machine. Especially if you have small gardens or stuff like that. This is a perfection tool. Okay, well, I'm gonna probably till where you see it at, around there. Just a pass or two just to see it rotating, that's all. Okay, let's go. Now, if I told you I'm a good tiller or farmer, I would be lying. So whatever you see here is probably most of my mistakes. Wow. This thing doesn't care. Let me go a second row. Boom. I'm not sure how much the camera is showing, but look at that. Let me show you real quick. It's hard to actually see it, but let me just hit a little bit. Look, boom. It's actually all tilled down to some depth. That's actually cool. Let me see if I can till one-handed. Yeah, look at this thing. Not caring at all. Do just a quick one. Whew. And this land you see here has never been tilled or plowed. It's just wild land. And this machine just doesn't care. It's actually really cool, I gotta tell you. Look. Anyway, with one hand this is not easy unless you have really soft garden going on, but absolutely a beautiful tool to have, in my opinion. Especially now for spring, if you have a tiny garden or something, this will be good enough. Let me see if it drained the battery cutting roots here. Only one. And I actually went through some kudzu roots, which if you know what kudzu is, yeah, that's really the tough stuff. Get that. Boom. Well, besides that, what else can I tell you? Except that it works and it does exactly what it promises. Just don't forget this button, then the trigger. Ooh, this thing is wild. This button, then the trigger. That's all. With that said, see you next time. Hope you learned something. Happy tilling.